A broad market pullback is underway today, and the reasons behind it matter for every asset class. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your crypto market briefing for July 20th. Digital assets are never boring. Let us break down what is moving prices today. Here is how the major digital assets are trading today. Bitcoin dipped to $64,145, minus 0.84% on the day. Intraday range was $63,765 to $64,991. Ethereum slipped to $1,862.60, minus 0.48% on the day. Intraday range was $1,845.54 to $1,887.60. Solana held steady to $76.39, plus 0.05% on the day. Intraday range was $75.57 to $77.07. Now let us look at what the macro environment means for crypto. Crypto sentiment is being driven by IEA forecasts' first drop in global oil demand since 2020 for 2026. Crypto briefing. Digital assets are selling off alongside broader risk assets. When equity markets fall, crypto tends to amplify the move. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that US futures edge higher as Middle East tensions, oil prices, and big tech earnings dominate markets. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Wall Street, Yahoo Finance. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures edge higher as Middle East tensions, oil prices, and big tech earnings dominate markets. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Wall Street, Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term analytical view on Bitcoin. With Bitcoin moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $65,749 level above and $62,542 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Remember that crypto remains a high-volatility asset class. Position sizing and risk management are critical, especially around macro events and on-chain data releases. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your crypto briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily digital asset coverage.